The world is waiting, and your adventure starts before you even leave home. With your suitcase, every journey, whether it's a weekend escape or a months-long trek, begins with the choices you make as you pack. The right preparation can transform your entire travel experience. Packing isn't just a chore, it's your first strategic move. It's about anticipating your needs, planning for the unexpected, and making sure you're ready for anything that comes your way. Smart packing is the foundation of a smooth, enjoyable trip. When you pack smart, you're not just filling a bag, you're setting yourself up for freedom and confidence on the road. You'll move with ease, knowing you have exactly what you need, and nothing extra to slow you down. For active travelers, a well-packed bag is your ultimate partner. It never complains, has what you need, and won't weigh you down. It's the difference between feeling burdened and feeling empowered to explore. A heavy, disorganized bag is an anchor. It costs you time, money, and energy you should spend exploring. It can turn a dream trip into a stressful ordeal, making every step feel harder than it should. Imagine breezing through the airport, ready to explore with everything you need at your fingertips. No more digging for lost items or worrying about excess baggage fees, just pure excitement for what's ahead. That's the power of smart packing, foresight, efficiency, and the ability to say yes to spontaneous adventures. You'll be prepared for last-minute changes, unexpected weather, or sudden opportunities. This guide is your roadmap to packing like a pro in 2026. We'll help you avoid common mistakes and show you how to make the most of every inch of your bag. We'll break it down step by step, from choosing the right bag to building a capsule wardrobe. You'll learn how to select versatile pieces, maximize space, and keep your essentials organized. We'll cover the tech that keeps you connected and sustainable habits for lighter travel. Discover how to pack smarter with eco-friendly gear and the latest travel gadgets that make life on the road easier. Forget last-minute panic and overstuffed suitcases. With the right approach, you'll never have to sit on your bag or leave things behind again. Learn the strategies that make every trip, weekend getaway, or world tour your best yet. Packing well means more time for adventure, less time for stress, and memories that last a lifetime. Packing is your secret weapon for stress-free travel. It's the key to unlocking new experiences and making the most of every moment on your journey. Ready to pack for the adventure of a lifetime? Let's get started. Your journey begins now, and with smart packing, you're already one step ahead. Every great adventure starts with a plan. Before you even think about zipping up your suitcase, take a moment to imagine the journey ahead, where you'll go, what you'll see, and how you want to feel when you arrive. Research your destination, weather, culture, terrain. These details shape your packing. Look up local customs, seasonal events, and any travel advisories. Knowing what to expect helps you pack smarter and travel with confidence. Create a master checklist, breaking it into categories to keep things organized and stress-free. Clothing, footwear, toiletries, electronics, documents, and activity gear. Add a section for special items like gifts, medications, or travel snacks. Use apps like PackPoint for a customized list, tailored to your destination, trip length, and planned activities. These tools can remind you of essentials you might otherwise forget. Or go old school with pen and paper. Sometimes writing things down helps you remember and visualize what you need. Double-check essentials, passport, visas, insurance, and medications. Keep digital copies as backup. Store them in a secure cloud folder or email them to yourself for easy access. Start packing early, at least a week before departure, to avoid last-minute stress. Lay everything out, edit your selections, and pack with intention. This gives you time to rethink, swap out, or add items as needed. Early prep gives you time to do laundry, mend clothes, or buy missing gear. You'll avoid the panic of realizing you're out of socks or your favorite shirt needs a button. When departure day arrives, you'll be calm and confident, knowing you've covered every detail. A solid plan means nothing gets left behind. You'll have peace of mind, ready to focus on the adventure ahead. Preparation is your first step to a smooth journey. With a little effort up front, you set yourself up for a trip that's memorable for all the right reasons. Your luggage is your mobile base camp. Choose wisely. For city breaks, a four-wheeled carry-on glides through airports. For rugged adventures, a travel backpack keeps you agile. The winning combo: a main bag and a versatile day pack for daily essentials. Look for smart features: USB ports, compression systems, water-resistant materials, and eco-friendly construction. Try bags on before you buy. Comfort is key. Brands like Osprey and Patagonia offer durable, sustainable options with solid warranties. A bag that fits your body and travel style is an investment in happiness. Don't cut corners. Your future self will thank you. The right bag is the foundation of every great trip. Pack smart. Travel happy. Choose gear that adapts to your journey. Your adventure deserves the best start. Now, let's pack like a pro. Packing cubes are game changers. Group clothes by type for easy access and organization. Roll your clothes to save space and reduce wrinkles. Use compression cubes for bulkier items. Pack heavy items near the wheels, midweight in the middle, and lighter or quick access items on top. Leave 10–15% of your bag empty for souvenirs or surprises. Overpacking is the top mistake. Be disciplined and strategic. Keep your liquids bag and documents accessible for security checks. A well-organized bag is a functional system, not just neatness. Efficiency gives you peace of mind from the start. Master the art of packing, and you master the journey. Every item has its place. Travel lighter, travel smarter. The secret to a light, versatile wardrobe? The capsule concept. Choose 10 to 15 pieces that mix and match. Neutrals for basics, color for accents. Every top should work with every bottom. Layering is key. Base, mid, and outer layers adapt to changing weather. Pick lightweight, quick-drying fabrics like merino wool for comfort and odor resistance. Prioritize multi-use items. A scarf doubles as a wrap, a sarong as a towel or bag. Ask, can I wear this 3 ways? If not, leave it. Limit shoes to 3 pairs. Walking, dressy, and activity-specific. Make sure all shoes are broken in before you go. Smart packing means happy feet and endless outfit options. Less is more. Pack light, live large. Staying connected and fresh is essential. Bring a compact power bank and a universal adapter. Your phone is your travel lifeline. Use a small organizer for cables and chargers to avoid tangles. Go solid with toiletries, shampoo bars, toothpaste tablets, and quick-dry towels. Save space and prevent spills. Decant liquids into travel bottles and keep your kit minimalist. Pack a small first aid kit and a reusable water bottle with a filter for health and sustainability. Download offline maps and consider an eSIM for easy connectivity. Prepare your tech and toiletries with the same strategy as your clothes. Stay charged, clean, and ready for anything. Smart choices keep you powered up and light on your feet. Travel light, travel right. With travel comes responsibility. Pack with purpose. Carry a reusable water bottle and tote to cut down on single-use plastics. Choose gear from brands committed to sustainability and durability. Support local artisans when buying souvenirs. Give back to the communities you visit. Say no to plastic straws and bring a reusable coffee cup if needed. Be mindful of waste. Pack out what you pack in, especially where recycling is limited. Opt for products with minimal packaging. Leave no trace isn't just for the wilderness. It's for every journey. Your choices help protect the places you love. Travel thoughtfully, and the world stays beautiful. Sustainable habits make every trip more meaningful. Even the most seasoned travelers slip up sometimes. Mistakes are part of the journey, and every misstep is a chance to learn and improve for next time. Overpacking is the most common pitfall, and it can weigh you down both physically and mentally. It's tempting to bring extra just-in-case items, but they often end up unused and only add stress. Trust your capsule wardrobe and focus on packing for the realities of your trip, not the unlikely scenarios. Choose versatile pieces that mix and match easily. And remember, less is more. Use your checklist every time you pack to avoid forgetting essentials like chargers, medications, or travel documents. A simple list can save you from last-minute panic and ensure you have everything you truly need. Pack for the trip you're actually taking, not the fantasy version. Prioritize comfort and practicality over style or trends. The right shoes and clothes can make all the difference in your travel experience. Don't overload on tech. Bring only what you'll use daily. Extra gadgets can be a hassle to keep track of and charge. Key takeaways: plan ahead, choose the right gear, and always pack less but smarter. Be strategic with your tech and toiletries. Opt for multi-use items and travel-sized essentials to save space and keep your bag organized. Make sustainable choices whenever possible, like using a reusable water bottle or shopping at local markets. These small actions help protect the planet and support the communities you visit. Packing well gives you freedom. Freedom to explore, to say yes to spontaneous adventures, and to move with ease wherever you go. Traveling light means less stress, more flexibility, and the ability to truly enjoy the journey, both in body and mind. A light, organized bag leads to a clear, focused mind, letting you be present and make the most of every moment. Remember, the best memories come from experiences, not from the things you bring. Focus on the journey, not the stuff. Keep refining your packing system with each trip, and don't be afraid to try new approaches. The more you travel, the better you'll get. The world is ready for you, full of new places, people, and possibilities. Are you ready for it? Pack smart, travel light, and say yes to adventure. Your next journey is waiting. Go explore with confidence. As your next adventure awaits, remember, every journey is a story waiting to be told. If you found these tips helpful or inspiring, hit like, share your own travel hacks in the comments, and subscribe for more guides to help you pack smarter, travel further, and experience the world like never before. Until next time, keep exploring.